Okay, you guys want to meet the puppies? Okay, so we're gonna do the leash trick. Mackenzie's gonna step on the leash just enough that Tucker can be in a sit, and Rob's gonna do the same for Jax. So they're gonna step on the leash just enough that they can't jump. Now, when you meet the dogs, you're gonna walk up to them and you're gonna let them sniff your fist. Ava, you want to show them how? And then you pet them under the chin. Yep. Good job. Yep, let them sniff you. Yep. And by stepping on the leash, if the dog tries to jump, there's no way they can. Who else wants to pet them? He has a little beard. And this is Jaxie Boy.